We have here a Samsung Galaxy tablet. This is quite an old one, but we're going to do a battery change on this. So this one charges to a very small amount before it cuts out. Highly suspect it's the battery at this stage, but we'll find out. So let's do a quick disassembly and see if we can get to the bottom of it. Hopefully without cracking the screen. I worked on these models a long time ago. The client really loves this machine, so we'll have it changed for them. Pull hands only, okay. Alright, so let's have a look. There is a small tab. Okay, 1 second. Right, so have a quick look. Pull hands. Curious, is that for me? Yes, it is for me. Okay. Is there a film or something that I can pull? Maybe we can apply some heat. We need some things that are thinner, strong. Let's try this. Maybe we can pull on that little tab. Okay, I tried to pull that, but I couldn't. Okay, there we go. Let's see the charging behavior. See if it does come on without any battery in there. I hear a buzzing sound. Yep, screen is not cracked. That's nice. 0.06. There's no battery. Because there's good proper power supply, it goes all the way up. Okay, so that's without the battery. Okay. We'll get the new battery in and we'll continue the video then. Thanks for watching. See you shortly. Alright, here we go. That's the old one. Andrew is still doing wines or no?
Huh?
Is he still doing wines, Andrew?
Am I still doing
No, Andrew
wine?
is
Yeah, sort of.
sort of.
Pretty much. It was 12, 12 and a half hours on the operating table.
12 and a half hours.
Yeah.
Jesus.
I'm surprised they gave him the operation.
That's amazing. That's so long. What did they actually do? Do you know?
Well, they removed. They took out his gallbladder, his pancreas. They probably took the gallbladder with it, and they cut some bits off his liver. Massive job. He's opened up from about, just over the breastbone to just above his dick. He's opened up right down there.
Wow, interesting.
Yeah.
That is severe, mate. Yeah. Okay. Connect it to the charger. Just be careful the screens there, please.
Sorry,
Yep.
I'll just see what you. It's going up even faster than it was before.
61. I'm just gonna turn it on. That's fine. And I'm gonna disconnect. That's good.
So it was the right battery and the right man to put it in.
Well, yeah, combine the two.
There you
Super
go.
power. This one's a little bit bent. I'll just see if I can fix that. If you carry in a pocket or bag, a little bit
All
squished.
the trouble's in that bag there, but between.
I'll give that a clean too for you.
Oh, very good. I don't know what got sprayed near it, but it was in the kitchen on the
No worries.
charger.
Let me make that a little bit more secure. They even sell these now at waterproof to 2 metres or something. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? But since you're in the ocean, you need kilometer ones. Yeah, that's in nicely.
Right.
Yeah, you'll be fine, mate. Happy days.
Now I gave you the invoice if you gave.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
That's the end of that.